Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. Today we're riding in the desert outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico on the way to Los Alamos. Ride along with me and we'll see some beautiful desert landscapes. But first, today's Bible verse will be from Psalms 86 verses 10 through 12. For you are great and do wondrous deeds. You alone are God. Teach me your way, O Lord. I will walk in your truth. Unite my heart to fear your name. I will give thanks to you, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and will glorify your name forever. In verse 11 it says, I will walk in your truth. That reminds me of the verse in John 14:6 where Jesus said, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father but through me. In our world today, so many people are confused and deny that there even is such a thing as truth. I encourage you to seek God's truth and to seek it in the Bible. And the ultimate expression of his truth is in Jesus Christ. All right, I'm going to be quiet and add some music here and just let you enjoy the ride. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoy.